Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to show you a new kit we've got for the Bronco. This is kit we're going to be calling the Glade. Obviously this is a replica or something very similar to what you've seen on the Bronco Everglades model. We really like that idea and know that that is vehicle specific only for that model. So what we want to do is do something similar, change it up a little bit, but kind of give that same feel to it. We're going to offer a standardized version, which is kind of what you see here. We've played with different sizes, going further out, a little bit lower, and we're really happy with this size on here. It is a perfect fitment. It gives you just a little bit of extra here in the door so you're not up against that edge. Same thing on the fender. And then we're going to offer this, again, standardized with that Bronco text in there. There's some cutout inside of the color for the show the paint through. Again, here, here, and here. Again, that base is going to come with that topography look. And then we're going to have some options. We've got in here some goat modes, the normal, Baja, Sport, Rock, Crawl, Slippery, and so on and so on. And then a little Sasquatch down there at the bottom. Down at the bottom. If you want to customize this, we're hoping you do. So again, we're going to do this in a orange. We're going to do it in blue, and we're going to do it in the light gray, which will kind of go with everything. We love the orange on this cactus. It goes great with our Badlands, and it's just a great accent to this color. But again, we're going to show you a few options on that. We are going to do all three of those installs for you today. But again, we wanted you to know that this is fully customizable. So if you want to take out Bronco, you want to put in your name of your Bronco, or you want to put in Badlands or Outer Banks or anything like that, we can add that to it. If you want to change the names, you want to do something custom. On the install, one of the installs we're going to do, I've done one that's custom for mine with the Badlands, and then put some logos on there, IBOC, Fuel Wheels, BF Goodrich, and IAG, some of the other shops that have been a part of our build. Anyway, we think you're going to like this. Super easy to install. This is going to be printed on 3M vinyl with a satin laminate, so it's going to get you that kind of that dull look. We wanted that to kind of offset the gloss of that paint. Again, with that gloss coming through, it's going to be a really, really nice accent. And of course, this is going to come as a pair. It's not just one side. This will come for both sides. And again, if you guys have any questions, always give us a call, message us, email. We're always here. And again, love to talk Broncos. So I'm going to pause here. We're going to get set up for the video. I'm going to bring that camera a little bit closer, and you can watch us do some of these installs. Hey guys, so we're back. We're going to go ahead and do this install now. Again, just got the camera set up, get a little bit closer. You can see what how this is going to go down. We're going to go ahead and pull this one off. Again, just wanted you to see this one before I yank this one off. We'll put a custom one back on, and then we're going to go back and do the blue and the gray versions. So again, this is going to be really easy install. Those tools are going to be needed. We're going to give you that squeegee. Keep that mask on there. You'll see that here in just a minute. We're going to clean that fender with an alcohol water mix, alcohol 30%, water 70%, just in your standard size spray bottle. Really that's it. Some masking tape will help you out as well. And again, that alignment, this is already basically fits right in that slot, right at the bottom of that rocker, right underneath that seam, and right into that fender. We're going to have about a 1/16, 1/8 of an inch in here. And yeah, let's get started. You've got a little bit of wiggle room on this. So we did downsize that a bit so you can really see that paint and have a little bit of room to move. Again, this one went on just a few minutes ago. I'll go ahead and pull that one off. It's a shame we got to throw that away, but we got many more to do. All right, so this will be that custom one that I did for myself. Again, so this is that Badlands with some logos in there. Let's go ahead and do that cleaning. Let's see. This really is a graphic you can really do without the tape. But if you're a first timer and haven't really done this before, I do recommend you go ahead and use that masking tape just so it doesn't shift on you. We will do another one without that tape, and you can see how that goes down. So it's just a few pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you can really just eyesight this. You want to be level with this crease here, and same thing in that door. When we hit that right on the first time, it's we're going to go ahead and mark that spot. We're going to mark it on this side up here in the top left. And then we're going to do the same thing right up here on top. Make sure those are good and in place. If you want to do one down here, you can. I like to, well, I'm going to start bottom up. I do like to go top down. That's without the tape. Again, we're going to do that one here in just a minute. I'll pause that video so we can get a couple snapshots before we get back to video. This may be the first one where we're going to do installs of all these. Really did want you to see how easy this is to put on. And again, with the squeegee, we're going to give you one that does not have that felt edge on it. You really only want that felt edge when you're on that raw material. So again, we've got the backing paper, the top side there. I want to follow, make sure that line is good. I can go ahead and let that tack. This is going to be dry install vinyl. So again, this is that wrap film that we talk about all the time. We love it. And once you've got that down, I'm going to go ahead and tear that. Tear that, tear that. Pull our backing off the back, the rest of that. We're just going to line up right back to where we were. Come straight up that left edge and start working up because you don't want to hit this fender just yet. So I want to go even, start working that out. And then come towards that edge of that fender. You hear that? That's that air coming right through there. And if you do get a wrinkle, you feel something stop, once we take this mask off, you can see it. This will come back up and you can relay it back down. A little spot there. Again, that dry install air release just goes right down. And that is it. That's that easy, guys. So again, this is an example of custom where we're going to offer, it's really whatever you want to do. I just wanted to show you that example to do something a little bit different. If you want to change the background on that, we can. Maybe an artwork fee for that if you want to do it. But as long as it's simple, it's not a big deal. We're just going to have that option there as and for custom. So take a look at that. We're going to go ahead and pause, get a picture, come back. We're going to do the gray, we're going to do the blue, and then you can see how those look as well.